How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. I just decided to share a video on the fly, so my sound isn't going to be that great because I have a fan going. It is going to be a rather warm day, and it is already warm today. So I just have that on, and I was doing this, and then I decided, well, let me just show you how to do this, since somebody yesterday in the comments asked me about this. So they asked me where I got my dashboards. So I made dashboards for my Happynichi, and I do have a silhouette machine, but I decided just to cut these out by hand instead. So these are my dashboards. They're about 1 time less thick as a Happy Planner dashboard, or divider, rather. They call these dashboards, though. Yes, on the packages they say dashboards. So these are dividers. So I just traced out using this part up here as my template and a paper to get the full size, so it would be the exact size as this. So I made those for my Happynichi. And then I also made dividers, and I did 2 different methods because I used this craft plastic, which is readily available on Amazon. So I decided to go ahead and show you this. And I also made them in a different way. I used just this pink cardstock, and then I have laminating pouches. Okay, so this is less expensive to use this method here than it is to use the craft plastic, and I needed quite a few more of these to make dividers for my paper. So I just put it in this notebook, and I made, again, I traced out the template, and then I just and then I cut them, fussy cut them, and then I corner rounded the sides, and then I laminated them and fussy cut this, and then corner round the sides as well. So this just is a notebook that has all my paper stored in there. This is not a new concept. People have been storing paper in notebooks for years and years, so you know, I just decided I wanted to divide my papers up, since I got like so many different varieties of paper. I wanted to easily be able to flip to this and just grab what I want, and then I have the excess in like the rest of the package in right behind me, actually, in my little Michael's, what do you call those? Those cubes. And then I made a classic size one for my classic size papers. So here they are. And I just thought I would show you, since I was doing this. I needed a few more dividers. So I just oh, that has 2, so I can take one of those out. So, and then I just punch them on the side to go in. And that's that. But like I said, you can use your silhouette machine very easily too if you want, if you have one, like I do have one. But you can also do it by hand. And sometimes I like doing things by hand. You know, it just depends on my mood. If I feel like cutting and, you know, things like that. So I've already cut a whole bunch of these out, and I wanted to make some of the classic size for my classic planner, because I'm setting up my planners for July. And then I made some extra for my Happinichi or what have you. So I'll just show you these. It's very easy. It's not rocket science here. Just trace out a template If you don't have a divider for the top part, like this, which would be this part, you can just wing it. You know what I mean? You know how far up you want to go. Or use a tab punch if you have like a Fisker's tab punch. Or a post-it note that's a divider tab. Or one of those Martha Stewart ones. You can just put that at the top and trace it out to make it. So, where there's a will, there's a way. So I just thought I would show you since, like I said, someone did ask about that. And it's so easy. Even doing it by hand is super simple. I mean, it only takes a few minutes. And I wanted my dashboards to be the full size of the paper, but you don't have to. If you want them to be shorter, go for the shorter ones, you know. Whatever your preference is, by all means, you know. But at least you get an idea of just how easy this is. And that is the last I need to use that, because I have everything else cut out. So, fold, so every second one has the template on it, because usually I just cut 2 at a time. But sometimes, I think I cut 3 on that one, the last one. And I wanted to show you that this actually wipes off super duper easy. Just like so. A wet cloth, and you can just take it off. I'm not going to take it off, obviously, the whole way right now, because I want to cut these and I need the markings. So I have this really killer, I love this thing, corner rounder, and this is also off of Amazon. It's the Kadomaro Pro, and this works like a champ. It has 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. I usually use this medium. But that's what that looks like. Also on Amazon. You can just look that up and it'll pop up. But this never fails. And it cuts right through this craft plastic. Now I can only do 3 sides on this, because I'm going to cut that part down in a second. Watch. And so I just rinse out. I'll just show you one. And then I can go ahead and take the rest of the Tombow marker off of this. Just with the wet cloth, it comes right off. Super easy. And then round the last corner there. And that's it. And then to punch it, I have 2 different punches. I have this one and another one. So I'm going to try to see if it works on this one. Let's see, which way do I want this to go? Just like that is fine. Yeah. Do I want it to go like that? Yeah, let's go for it. Now, I don't know if this is going to punch through. I hope it will. But if not, I have a different punch. Ooh, baby, that is tricky. Okay, it sounds like it went through. There we go. So, it did work. And there you have it. So, I'll just show you. Now, it will fit right in I'm setting this up. I'll do a flip through of my planner once I'm all set up. Here's a sneak peek. So it's the same size as that other divider. So there you have it. So I just thought I would share that with you guys. I hope that is helpful. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Thank you so kindly for watching, and I hope this inspires you to plan. Have a great day. Peace.